We'll assemble the left and right wings and landing gear first. First, install the landing gear in the corresponding slot of the wing. Then fix it with 4 screws. Another similar step. After it is installed, you can put it. The left and right wings are joined together. You start by inserting carbon tubes into the carbon tube slots on the wing. Plug it in the bottom. Then we're going to give two. The connecting surfaces of the wings are glued. Plug the carbon tube into the other wing carbon tube port. Then align the left and right wing contacts. After sorting it out, next use the Y-line to put the tube. The steering gear wires of the aileron are connected. And that completes the wing assembly. Place the ailerons inside the battery compartment of the aircraft. Then pay attention to the alignment of the cart position and the fuselage and press it flat. We fix it with 4 screws. So the wings and fuselage are assembled. Now for the vertical tail and the flat tail. First align the vertical tail and the flat tail into the slot. Assemble together first. Turn the plane around. Put the flat tail and the vertical tail. The coupling is aligned with the fuselage slot. Press down. Press it into place. Let's flip the fuselage over again. There are 2 screw holes here. Fix vertical tail and flat tail. Fix the tail wheel rubber parts with screws. Use ball pliers to separate the ball head rubber from the rudder angle. Installation of flat tail steering gear. Fix with screws. The tie rod steel wire is inserted into the rocker arm. Take a look at this length. If it is short, we're going to unscrew it a little bit. Clamp the ball head with ball pliers. The rudder angle and tie rod of the flat tail are installed. Also use ball pliers to take it apart first. Installation of vertical tail steering gear. Fix with screws. The tie rod is loaded into the rocker arm. Take a look at this length. Adjust it appropriately. Install the rubber and ball head with ball pliers. In this way, the rudder angle tie rod of the vertical tail is installed. There are two kinds of this support frame. A little longer. It's triangular. There is also a shorter one. It's square. The square short strip is installed on the front, near the nose. The triangular strip is mounted at the back. We use 8 screws to fix it. The edges of a simulated windshield are glued. Then align with the slot of the fuselage. Install it in. Press in place. Apply glue to the bottom of the doll. The cockpit is glued. We paste the dolls on. First, put the motor paddle on the seat. Bullet and gasket removed. Then put on the leaf oar. Install gasket bullets in turn. We tighten it with the help of a tool. Just paste it according to the instructions. The whole plane is assembled here. Next, I'll demonstrate the wiring using the MISR 66A for everyone. Open the hatch first. Start wiring. Channel 1 connects to aileron cable. Channel 2 connects to elevator cable. Channel 3 connects to throttle cable. Channel 4 connects to azimuth cable. This way all our wires are connected. After receiving, we fix the receiver in the battery compartment. We can start connecting the battery. Turn on our remote first. Power on. This receiver is already tuned. Usually we need to do the frequency matching ourselves. After frequency matching, we can do the next test. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly and wiring testing of the entire aircraft is now complete.